What is it? No.
It is.
Oh no, is it really? Santa knew what you wanted. Open it up.
Not yet.
Can he see Zane?
Yeah.
Show Papa what you got. Oh my.
Wow. Thank you, Mommy.
Yeah, that's from Papa.
How does he talk?
There you go.
How does he talk?
Push the button.
Do you see a link that says action?
Where is the button?
Okay, let me find it here.
Where is the button?
Here, let's see. Whoa. Push right there.
Hit invite to view my webcam.
Hit it again.
Yes.
Yeah. You like that? What do you think of that?
And let's open one more.
Okay.
What is it?
Yeah. Invitation from
Look
me.
at this.
What's that?
It's a soccer.
It's a what?
It's a thing.
Ah,
If we can play.
yeah.
And where's that?
Open the one from Great Granny over here.
Wait, how about
Yeah.
this one?
Let's see. Yeah, how about that one?
Yeah.
What is this?
Do you see a link on yours that says
It's
untitled
a
viewer?
tomato head.
Look, Mom, it's a tomato head.
Okay.
You had one of those over at the hospital, didn't you?
Yeah.
Hey, Zane, get this one over here from Great Granny.
No, this one, there's one more.
Oh, okay.
Well,
That one's your mommy's. That one's for Mommy.
let me open it for.
You want to open it for her? Okay. That's from Uncle Aaron and Aunt Sarah to Mommy.
Whoa!
What'd Mommy get?
Mommy,
Yeah?
it's full of candy.
It is?
Oh my goodness. Mommy, you're missing out.
Oh, I know.
Here, Mom.
I'll spend all day doing this. It won't make any difference.
It's for you.
Thank you, sweetie.
And what is in here?
Those are Mommy's. Here, this one's yours right here. This one,
What's this?
those are for Mommy.
Wait a minute.
Nope, that's Mommy's. That's Mommy's.
Yep, that's just.
Okay, get this one. Open that one right there. That one's from Great Granny. What is that?
It's a pillow.
What is it?
A pillow pet.
A pillow pet? What kind of pillow pet is it? Is it a bumblebee?
Yeah.
Cool.
How do I do this?
I don't know. We have to untie it, I guess. The bag in the back is yours. Hey, Zane. The big red bag in the back is yours.
What?
The big bag in the back. In the back. That one's yours. Uh-huh.
Cool. What's this one?
That's not candy, that's soap.
This one is.
Yeah, I know.
What's this
I got
one?
some too. That one's for Mommy. You want to hand it to her?
Here, Mom.
This is from?
Aaron and Sarah.
Hey, Mom.
They have a friend that makes that soap.
Oh, it's cool.
Uh-huh. That one's yours, Zane. That's from Great Granny.
What is this one?
Aww.
A shirt?
Check out this outfit. show Mommy your clothes.
Show me your clothes. Wow.
Show her the top.
And the belt, this one is too big.
Yeah.
This one is for Mommy. And this one is Mommy.
Let's see.
Here, Mom.
Thank you.
This is for you.
Thank you.
There for you.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't that cute? That'll go with the shoes.
Now, which one will
Okay,
open?
that one is yours in the plastic bag. See the plastic one?
Now, can we open?
We sure can. Yeah, we can open Stinky. Bring him here. All right. You like Stinky? Is
Yes.
that what you were wanting?
Yeah.
Okay. Say Merry Christmas.
Well, open it.
All right. I'm going to set the camera down.